Open the browser window and search for Visual Studio Code in Google Search. Now click on the first link that appears on the search. Once the link opens, you will see the Download button and a drop-down button, along with Download button, to select the desired operating system. As we are working on Windows operating system, so we will directly click the Download for Windows button. This will download our VS Code executable file. Once done, double-click the download file and run the setup. Click the Next button few times and then hit the Finish button.